paper.
Oh boy, here we go. Let's do this. F of prime of x. Who am I up to? You, I'm up to you. F prime of x is equal to what, please?
Cosine x.
Okay, guys, listen up, please. Go ahead.
Cosine x.
No. Oh, one sine x, you said? I didn't hear that part. All right, I think that's right. No, because just think, there's two things multiplied together, right?
Yeah.
There's the x and there's the sine x. So it's going to be the derivative of this one times sine x plus x times the derivative of the second one, which is cos x. Okay, language, please. Language.
Does that stay as x cos x?
Yes.
Why
Okay.
is it not cos x squared?
Okay, this is the thing, because this x isn't related, like, it's like sine of x is what it is. It's like, you're basically treating this like x times sine of x, right? So it's not like, you know what I mean, it's not connected, it's like that.
Right.
Okay. All right, can somebody do the double derivative? Derek, go ahead.
Sure. Cosine x plus x sine x.
Close.
Oh wait, we have to do the. Oh yeah, we have to do the whole thing again. Yeah.
Minus x sine x. Now we're good? I think.
Should there be another like cos x?
It should be. Let's switch it.
Let's erase here.
Cosine to sine, but shouldn't it be a whole other?
Let's erase here. Let's start again here. So we got cos x
Cos x.
plus cos x.
Minus x sine x.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Good? Now we're good? I think we're good.
Yes.
Okay. Now, solving these equations is going to be a little bit tricky, but we can do it. I'm going to show you how right now. Are we? No one thinks that's funny.
I do. I think it's funny.
Okay, so let's start off with the first one. Anyone have any idea how I could solve this one? Well, let's start with the basic idea here, okay?
Make them both sine or both cosine.
Yeah, and it looks like right now I can't do that, so we're going to do things a little bit differently. Hopefully this is helping a little bit.
Why?
Just wait, let me just continue.
Now,
Now I have sine and cos, I don't like that. How can I make them both the same thing?
well, you could divide one by the other and you have 10.
Yeah, right on. Let's do the second one here then. Now, this one here looks tricky, but we're going to be able to do the same thing here then, okay? So it's going to be 0 equals 2 cos x minus x sine x. So cos x and cos x is 2. Right? All right, so then we're going to change this to x sine x equals 2 cos x. I'm going to call that tan x equals 2 over x. Now, this is what's bugging me because this isn't as easy as I wanted it to be. I think I picked one that was too hard. Well, because basically what you have to do, you have to, I hate guessing and checking, but it looks like guessing and checking would be the only way to solve these, because there's no real answers.
And there's 7 levels.
Yes, it's 7 levels.
But what you would do is, again, we'd have to also make one, I'll make a different question here for you guys here, okay, to work out better. Okay, but basically you get the idea here, we're gonna find zeros for this, and that's the whole thing. Just like, again, once again, the teacher needs to. Can you take, M is gonna be f prime of x, right? Okay, go ahead, so f prime of x equal to? The derivative of sine is?
2 cos
Yeah, good.
minus 4 sine.
And that's what theta's in there, just to be complete there. Yeah? All right, so in order to get my slope, what do I do now? Nope. Close though.
Oh, do you just send that?
That's all you do. All right. Calvin, it's time to shine. What is cos of pi over 4, please? Okay.
Wait, I don't know. Root 2 or what?
1 over root 2?
1 over 2.
Good. What's the derivative of sine pi over 4?
1 over root 2.
Now, for Calvin and everyone else, okay? I'm not just picking on you because you're a soccer player here, okay? Make sure when you start your test, you do this on the top corner. You do this one and the other one just so you have them, you know what I mean, for reference, okay? Just on the front of your test here, okay? All right, Luke, it's your time to shine. What's 2 times 1 over root 2?
2 over root 2.
Good. What's 4 times 1 over root 2?
4 over root 2.
Good. What's 2 over root 2 minus 4 over root 2?
Negative root 2.
Is it negative root 2? I guess technically it would be.
Did that without a calculator?
Did you?
Yeah. You genius. Yeah, I still have my back.
You still
They
have
call
it
me bare hands because I don't have them.
Oh, that's not funny. Okay, m equals negative root 2. Great. Okay, Alistair, what do you do next?
Solve for y.
Yeah, good. So y is going to be f of. Oh, sorry. So it's going to be negative 2 over root 2 and e rationalized. Okay, so it's going to be 2 sine pi over 4 plus 4 cos pi over 4. And that's going to be 2 times 1 over root 2 plus 4 times 1 over root 2, which equals 6 over root 2, which equals 6 root 2 over 2, which is 3 root 2.
So this is a double prime?
No, we don't need double prime for this.
No,
That's just getting the original point, because remember when you have you're making a line, you need the slope, right? And you need a point on the line, and you get the y-intercept. So we're just going to do here y equals mx plus b. And Nathan's going to do this for me. What's my y, what's my m, and what's my x?
Your y is pi over 4.
Close.
4 over pi. Negative.
Right, because this is what we subbed in here, right, Nathan? Right? This is what that's going to be your y. What's your m?
Is it the pi over 4? Root 2.
You're thinking about English. You're thinking about English here today. It's not your fault. And your x is equal to? 4.
No.
Okay, can somebody calculate it out for me, please, and tell me what b is equal to? Did you get that?
3.785 root 2.
3.785 root 2. Let's just turn that into a, can you change that and just do a decimal?
7.5. 10.56.
It's amazing. You can do that in your head. Okay, now you might say, Mr. Sadler, this looks like something we did in the first unit of the year. Why are you doing it right now? Because of part B of this question says graph this equation. That's what we're going to do.
No,
Is that wrong?
I just said, yeah, it's wrong.
I was so impressed by you for a sec. I was all excited. I thought, that's amazing. He can do that calculation in his head.
No,
He's multiplied by 2.
yeah, that's my bad too.
I was all impressed for a second. I'm still impressed by you.
I felt really good
Less
about
so.
myself first.
Okay, 3.785 times root 2. Look, I was so excited. Did you see that? I was like, I can't multiply by square roots.
Mr. Sadler, what do you call a mathematician gone fishing?
5.35.
Oh, 5.35? Thank you.
Cast away.
Okay, so now part B of this question is going to say graph the original equation. Okay, so that's what we're going to do, and that's why I picked this question from part A. So that'll be the tangent. It's going to look like that. We're going to get to the actual equation here right now. Are there any questions on the tangent, other than Nathan getting his x's and his y's backwards? Sorry, Nathan, I was on call for him. Okay, other than that, though, we're good, though, about the tangent? Colin as well?
Sure.
Well, that's not a convincing sure. That's like a stop talking music and right. Sure is what that one is. Okay, so part B is going to say graph. And we'll do this one as a class again, and hopefully it'll work out nicer. What's the equation? 2 sine theta. I'm going to hit pause in the video. You guys are going to find the first derivative and the second derivative. Okay, that's what you guys are going to do right now for me. Okay? Luke's the first derivative already found. When I say you, I mean the class has already found it. It's the same thing as the second derivative. This is so easy to find the derivative of. Is that how the equation was? Is that right? I hope that's right.
That looks. Oh yeah, the second one's 2 sine theta plus 4 sine. Oh.
Thank you.